Video 11, overview of ProPresenter. You have ProPresenter open. You need to be familiar with some of the basic placements of buttons and ways to navigate the program itself. So you have ProPresenter open. We'll start up here. At the top, you have the ProPresenter drop-down menu, which you can use to quit ProPresenter. Again, if you open up ProPresenter and you go to put a background image up and the full image does not display, and it's just a portion of it, you can quit ProPresenter from using this drop-down menu and open it back up again, which should rectify the problem. From here, you will see this screen is your stage display monitor. So this shows you what will be shown on the stage displays themselves. This area right here shows you what you have in the either song or presentation file that is open currently. Down here is your video bin, video and image bin, and this is the video image navigation field. So this opens up the different folders that are available to the program, and when you open up those folders, what's inside of them will show up in this area. So we have several different folders, including pre-service videos. If you click on pre-service videos, the pre-service videos themselves pop up over here, and you can scroll through them to see them. If you would like to select the pre-service video and just allow them to continue playing, all the videos imported into the pre-service folder should be set on, and I pulled this menu up by clicking on the right side of the mouse, should be set on next. If all the videos are set on next, they will play one after another without having someone watch them, or you have the ability to click on one and it will automatically start playing if you want to go out of order. Other areas that are noteworthy here are songs with lead vocals, this folder, altar, this folder, and countdowns. Altar and songs with lead vocals, along with video worship. These three folders, altar, songs with lead vocal, and video worship, all include songs that can be used for video worship when we're doing video worship on Wednesday nights or the occasional Sunday. You need to verify that these songs sound correct and have the lyrics prior to just dropping them into the lineup to make sure we don't have issues during service. You also need to make sure, like you can see with this Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer video, which would not be appropriate for video worship, that you do not see this indication. This indication here says that's on repeat, which means if we put that into the lineup, it will repeat, and one time enough would be bad. So you need to make sure it says stop. So you bring that up by side-clicking, right-click on the mouse and clicking stop. Again, you can see it with this video, and you side-click, which is the right-click, and you click stop. It needs to have the stop on every video so that they do not play over and over again. We have countdowns, which will be used to count down the start of service. These are 5-minute countdowns. Again, these need to be relevant, and we need to make sure we're not using the same ones over and over again. There are several in here, and we can always get more. So we need to use ones that are appropriate, relevant, and not over and over again. You can, and again, like here, you see that. You need to make sure it says stop, not repeat. If you open up ProPresenter or you come to ProPresenter to start your volunteering shift and you see that the video image bin is not located on the screen, you come up here and you click video image bin. This is on the top menu, video image bin, and that will make it reappear. A few quick buttons that we'll get into later but are important are clear all, which clears everything that's on the screen, clear slides, which clears the slide like overlay text like scriptures, and clear backgrounds, which clear background images but leave overlay text like scriptures, new, which is used to create either new songs or new sermons, editor, which opens a slide editor, video image bin, which shows you and hides the video image bin, audio and messages, which we do not use, and Bibles, which is used to add Bible scriptures to a presentation. Song select, which is used by the worship team to add new songs that we have through our account with Song Select by typing in the song name and then searching for it and adding or importing the correct song, which we'll get into later. And then store, DVD, and web we do not use. Over here on this side, you have template, format, output, and volume. We need to always ensure that the volume is turned all the way up. If for any reason the volume is down, we will not get sound from ProPresenter, therefore we will not get sound from the computer, so we need to make sure it's all the way up. Output controls the displaying of a background image. If I go to Jesus Graphics, which has a lot of the background images that we use throughout the week, and I put one up there, you'll see it here, but you will not see it on any of the screens on the stage. And if this takes place, always look here to the output and see if that says off or on. If it says off, it turns off the stage displays. If it's on, we have stage displays. This is a basic overview. Over here we have playlists. If you're serving on a Sunday, you click on Sunday and you ensure that that is the file selected. If you're serving on a Wednesday, you click on the Wednesday and ensure that that's a file selected. If you're making the service, so if you're here on a Wednesday and this is the previous Wednesday service and you need to clear everything out, you clear everything out, and then you begin putting in the elements that make up the service for Wednesday. But make sure if you're on a Wednesday, you do it for Wednesday. If you're on a Sunday, you do it for a Sunday. And we'll get into that later as well.